Elyse here. Today we're going to be doing some 5-minute morning yoga. So let's get started. Please come to a comfortable seated position with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. We're going to start with some really deep cleansing breaths in through the nose, through the throat, and filling that space in the belly. On your next exhale, we're going to drop the right ear to the right shoulder. Exhaling the chin down in the middle, and then inhaling up to the opposite ear. Do a couple of these movements along with your own breath, stretching out those neck muscles. Coming to a neutral spine, we inhale the shoulders up and exhale, rounding them down. Inhaling them up and exhale, rounding them back down. Next, we bring the hands together and we roll them out to the right, stretching the wrists slowly. After a good stretch to the right, we change direction and start stretching and rolling to the left, slowly opening up those hands. After our rolls, we can start doing some figure eights with the wrists. And once we do one direction, we can turn around and do figure eights in the opposite direction. We inhale the arms tall, stretching out that spine. As we exhale, we twist to the right, dropping the left arm in the ground in front of us or touching the right knee, and our back arm is supporting our spine. We take some really deep breaths, inhaling, lengthen, exhale, twist. On the next inhale, we bring our arms all the way back up to neutral. We drop the right arm in front of us. The left arm braces the spine in the back, and we twist to the left. We inhale to lengthen our spine, and we exhale to twist further. The hand can be on the ground in front of us or on the knee. We exhale to neutral, taking some deep breaths in our seated posture. We extend the left leg forward and the right foot comes to the left thigh. We always want to hinge from the hips and never rounding the spine. On our exhale, we hinge forward from the hips and drop our hands wherever they might be when we start to feel our shoulders round. We take some deep inhales and exhales in this forward fold, stretching out our legs for the day. On an exhale, we can try come deeper into our stretch. Inhaling up to neutral, we extend the right leg and the left foot now comes to the right thigh. Again, we want to hinge from the hips, and on the exhale, we hinge forward. We drop our hands when we start to feel our shoulders begin to round. Concentrating on deep inhales and deep exhales. Only stretching, never pushing our bodies to pain. On the next inhale, we rise up and we extend both of our feet to the ground. We come slightly forward on our mat and the arms come out. We lean back to engage the core and slowly lift one leg, exhaling it down. We inhale the opposite leg, then exhale it down. Do a couple of these inhales and exhales in rhythm with your own breath, engaging that core. If it's in your practice, you can bring both legs up at the same time to a boat pose, or even extend your legs for full boat. On our exhale, we come to neutral and we hug the knees to the chest. Thank you for doing this morning yoga practice. Namaste and have a great day.